Morning, we are born again. What we do today is what matters most. Good morning, dear students. Let us begin today's session with the new topic Organization of Life. Life on earth organized into different levels. These levels ranges from very small and simple like the atom to the very large and complex such as the biosphere. They are organized into hierarchy with larger levels from developing the small levels. In the cellular organization, begins with an atom, that is the basic unit of matter. Atom combines with the other atom and form molecules, which in turn combine to form macromolecules. Atoms, molecules, and macromolecules combine to form a structure within the cells, such as organelles, which are tiny compartments of the eukaryotic cells. Each organelle has specific functions. The nucleus, for an example, the nucleus. This organelle is used for storing DNA. Then atoms, molecules, macromolecules and organelles combine to form cells. The cell is the smallest organization and therefore it is considered as the smallest unit of life. Now, in the organismal level, cells are organized into 4 different levels. Cells combine to form tissues. These groups are active and perform specific function. For example, cardiac muscles has the ability to contract and relax. Then the tissue are grouped into organs. For an example, heart. It has the cardiac muscle. It contract and circulate the blood within the body of an animal. Organs work together in organ system. For an example, the circulatory system consists of heart, blood and blood vessels that all work together and move nutrients to the cells of the body. Finally, these organs system combine to form a complex organism such as human. That's all today's session. I hope now you are clear about how the organisms evolved. It is from an atom, then to the molecules, then to the macromolecules, then to the organelles and cells, then tissues, organs, organ system and organisms, and finally evolving the human. Thank you, dear students.